Hey guys, Anatola from Audio Direct and yet another Premier Service customer. We are now picked up this 2017 GMC Yukon Denali. As you can see, car is fully loaded. Absolute beautiful vehicle to drive. And of course, what we're going to be doing is changing this screen. Now, it's actually quite a good high-res screen, and it does have a fair few functions on there as well. But what we're going to be dropping in here, well, it's going to up the game for this particular vehicle, and for anyone else with Denali, it's not an easy car to work on. The install takes about 6-7 hours. It's a full-on job like most of our Premier Service cars are. So we're going to keep you updated with, of course, you know, the photos and the blogs and everything. But super excited to get behind the wheel of this particular car and see the transformation that it's going to take. Yeah, it's about a full day's job. We pick it up, we drop it off the next day. We don't rush work. We take care of all of our customers' cars, vehicle trim and everything. But this 2017 GMC Yukon Denali going to get a complete Tesla screen upgrade, digital, climate control, the works. Stay tuned. Audio Direct.